Night cramps. What are night cramps? They are muscle spasms that occur primarily in the calf muscles behind the lower leg and in the small foot muscles on the bottom of the foot. It seems out of nowhere the attack will occur with pain ranging from mild to moderately severe. The cramp can last for a few minutes or as long as up to 10 minutes. Once it has finished, it is not uncommon to have another. Thus this condition can make for a very restless sleep. Muscle cramps should not be mistaken for restless leg syndrome. The cramps, particularly in the leg, can be so severe that the muscle is tender the next day. Most muscle cramps occurring in the foot and leg are known as idiopathic, unknown origin. The general principle of muscle is that if it is overstretched, it will tend to go into spasm. So, sometimes if a patient has spent the day doing a lot of activity, they be more prone to night cramps during the evening. For most people, these types of cramps are an irregular occurring problem, but there are some, especially older individuals, who are more prone to regular bouts. There are some conditions which may cause muscle cramping. Some medicines can cause cramps as a side effect, or make cramps occur more often. These include diuretics, water pills, nifedipine, cimetidine, salbutamol, terbutaline, lithium, clofibrate, morphine, withdrawal, phenothiazines, and nicotinic acid. Dehydration. Conditions that cause alterations in the balance of salts in the bloodstream, such as a high or low sodium or potassium level. Some people who have renal, kidney, dialysis get leg cramps. Pregnancy, usually in the later stages. An untreated underactive thyroid gland may cause leg cramps. Peripheral vascular disease, narrowing of the leg arteries, which causes poor circulation. Cirrhosis of the liver is a rare cause. Lead poisoning. Sarcoidosis. Rare disorders of nerves. Excess alcohol. Treatment of night cramps. There are many simple treatments for this type of cramps, some work better than others, so some experimentation may be necessary. These include magnesium. This mineral helps your muscles relax. Take 500 mg twice a day, just be careful because it may cause diarrhea in some people. Potassium. Low levels of potassium will cause muscle cramping. Rather than take potassium supplements, too much potassium can cause heart problems. Try getting your potassium from foods like grains, beans, fruits, vegetables, lean meat, fish, and poultry. Stretching. For occasional simple night cramps, stretching and massaging the muscle is all you need. Quinine taken either as a pill or as quinine water every evening has been proven to be very beneficial in the treatment of night cramps. This is contraindicated in women who are pregnant or contemplating pregnancy, as quinine has been used over the years in abortion. Vitamin E, 800 IU daily, can be very effective in reducing night cramps. Note that vitamin E should not be taken by people who are on anticoagulant therapy, as vitamin E has a tendency to thin blood. Children, especially prepubescent, are especially prone to night cramps in the legs. The problem here is that skeletal development is faster than muscle development, so all of a sudden in a fast-growing child, the muscles of the legs become too short for the legs, and during the course of the day they are overstretched, and then at night they will go into spasm. This is also commonly referred to as growing pains. Typically the child will have spent the day either in the playground or at the mall doing a lot of walking, many times complaining to their parent that they want to sit down because their legs ache. Then at night the legs will go into spasm and generally can be a very uncomfortable experience. If the child exhibits excessive pronation, we generally put them in orthotics. By reducing the pronatory phase of their gait cycle, we can keep the leg muscles from overworking, and like magic, the pain goes away, including the night cramps. The remedies described for adults generally do not work very well in children. Read the complete article at www.fotin-pain-explained.com/night_cramps.html